Hey guys, it's Matt with Meat Church and welcome back to AT&T Stadium. We've got Cowboys-Panthers at noon, and today I'm going to make you guys what is going to be the grand finale of our tailgating series, grilled shrimp brochettes. These are a staple at our tailgates because we've been doing this for, I think this is 21 seasons now, and one of my fraternity brothers made these years ago, actually at a Super Bowl party, and then we carried it over out to the parking lot. So they're really easy, everyone loves them. As I always say, we generally prep the night before, so I've got a bunch here that I already made, but I'm gonna show you how to build those really quickly. So let's throw on some gloves. And these are gonna be awesome. All right, so we've got some large shrimp here that we've already peeled and they're deveined. I'm gonna take a fillet knife and I'm just gonna fillet these open. You can do this down on the board, however you wanna do it. Don't cut them all the way. You know, split them open really good because we're gonna stuff these. And I'm just gonna make a couple of these here for you guys so you don't have to wait and make this video way too long. All right, once you've got these popped open, we're also gonna cut some bacon here into about a half a slice or so. This is regular bacon, regular thickness bacon, not thick cut. What I like to do is I'm stuffing this with a little jack cheese because I like that pop. A little fresh jalapeno. You can get creative, make this your own, do whatever you want, but this is really, really good. And don't worry, this is not too hot. And then you're just gonna wrap it in bacon. Super, super easy. You can toothpick them if you want. If you wrap it nice and tight, you really don't have to. I'm gonna cut that bacon a little bit short. Well, everybody's excited about the Cowboys season. We'll see how this ages, but we're 2-1. Playing the 2-1? Are we 2-1 or 3-1? I don't know. Playing the undefeated Panthers today here. Noon kickoff, got the whole crew here behind you. Maybe they'll come in and taste this in a little bit. That bacon's much better. Look at that. Like I said, prep at home. That way you don't have to do all this out in the parking lot. And don't knock over your Miller Lite. All right, let's go ahead and fit these on here. We're not actually cooking these on here. This is just for prep. And now I want to season these a little bit. I love our Voodoo. You could use our gospel, you could use our honey hog, you could use whatever seasoning you guys want. They need a little seasoning. Man, this Voodoo is great on shrimp. Hell, this Voodoo is great on everything. Look at that. Now, I'm gonna flip these over and I'm gonna season the other side. Today we're cooking on a Traeger Ranger. We've got powered by a Goal Zero Yeti. We've got that rocking at 425. So I'm gonna season the other side, lid it here for 5 or 10 minutes and then we'll get to grilling. All right, we've got our Traeger Ranger again rocking at 425 degrees with the Meat Church pellet. These usually take, 15, 20 minutes, probably closer to 20. We're gonna flip them once during the cook process so they get nice and charred on both sides. And this is great in the parking lot. We're powering this with, again, the Yeti Goal Zero 1500 inverter. This thing will run forever out here. Powers our TV. Powers multiple Traegers, love it. All right, I'm gonna let these go. We'll flip them here in a bit. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Woo, man, those smell and look awesome. We're gonna flip them all. This is literally tailgating, right? We got the Ranger on the tailgate. Woo, those look good. All right, we're gonna let those rock a few more minutes. I don't know if they're gonna make it 10 minutes, but it'll be close. See you on a few. All right, guys, we're at 17 minutes. They look really, really good. Like I said, you could toothpick these if you want. We didn't do too bad without the toothpick. I'm telling you, this is what I'm eating today. Don't know about everybody else. All right, I'm gonna put these on the board and let them cool. All right, you wanna know what pairs perfect with these grilled shrimp brochettes? I'm gonna say Drew Pearson Commemorative Miller Lite. Hey, congrats to you, newest member of the Hall of Fame. All right, it's time to eat these, but before we do that, this is the last video in our tailgate series, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for coming every week. I can't wait any longer, so let me give one a sample here. I ain't mad at it. I think I need to have my friends come in and eat these. Mr. Dave Jimenez that created these, I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, he taught me these way back in the day. Like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see y'all next week.